Hello, guys. This is our second program for our microprocessor and microcontroller DA. We are going to be explaining about block transfer. So, this is my team. My name is Karthikeya, 19BCT0112. My teammates are Sarthak Gulati, 19BCT0119. Tanish Gandhi, 19BCT0134, 124. Dhruv Singh, 19BCT0110. Subham Shankaram, 19BCT0092. So we're gonna start the code with DOS mounting the code. So basically, mounting is connecting the physical folders and drives to the virtual folders and drives in DOSBox. So here we're gonna we mounted the local directory C, and now we're gonna go to the C drive from Z drive, and now we're gonna start the code with edit blk, as in the name of the program is blk.asm. ASM is basically the assembly language the extension. So blk is a file name, and we're gonna start the code. Since we've already written the code, this is basically the code. The code will be explained by Sarthak.
Okay, so thank you, Karthike. I'll take it over. Okay, so from now on, the data segment. For the data segment, we are creating a pointer to data byte, 23 characters in test underscore mess. So for the DB 100 DUP bracket, which means that we are duplicating 100 locations to accommodate the characters. Results are to be stored in the new location, that is new underscore LOC, and initialization of 23 location with 0. Okay, so for the code segment, we'll assume CS as code, DS as data, and ES as data. So now to explain the code further, I'd like Shubham Shankaram to continue.
So from start, we have move AX comma data and move DX comma AX. So here data, the value of data is moved to AX and AX is moved to ES. Here the base address is initialized in DS, and the same base address is also moved to ES. And LEA means load effective address, which is loading the effective address of test underscore mess pointer in SI. And also LEADA comma new log is also loading the effective address of new log pointer in the DI. And we have move CX comma 23, which means we are moving value 23 in CX, and which is because the value of the string which you are moving from one location to another is 23, and the CLD and REP move string byte is these both the code. What they does is CLD means clear direction flag, and REP move SB. What these two does is, after moving the first character from the input location to output, automatically SI and DI pointer will be incremented to point to the next character and next location, and the CX will be decremented. And this thing will be continued until the value of CX will be 0, and hence we conclude that the whole data, which is of 23 bytes, have moved from the starting address to the destination address. And now Dhruv will explain the output of program.
Okay, so using the MASM space blk.asm command, the assembler reads in the assembly code and figures out the corresponding machine code and writes it into the object file along with some other info that varies depending on the object file format that we're using. Now, using the link command, the linker takes a set of object files and merges them together into an executable file, which we'll now run using debug space blk.exe command. Now we can after running this command, we can use trace command, and we can trace the code and go through it step by step. So here we can see that DS is initialized with base address, and now the next trace we can see that ES is also initialized with the base address. Now here the pointer for the input starting from location 0000 is loaded into SI, and here we can see that base address for DS is DS0000, and here we can see that the input is available in location and the ASCII value and a string is visible in the output screen. Now, using the next trace command, we can see that the destination offset value is available in DI, which is 007B.
So now we are moving the total length of the string in the CX register, which will act as our counter. And in the next we can see that CLD register, which will clear direction flag, and this two will move one byte each into our destination index. So when we now as we check our destination index, so DDS as our location is 007B. So you can observe that first, that is T is transferred to our destination index as we have run this loop one time. So similarly, we will trace it, and one by one byte will be stored in our destination index. So as to skip the steps, I am using T5, which will directly execute five steps together. So we will continue this till our CX is not 0. So till CX has value 7. So CX has value 2. So from here we can observe that all our string is block is transferred to another our destination index. So when we again trace it, so we will come to know. So when we use our original location, which was 0000, we can observe that this was our original. And then when we check our final block, which was 007B, so this whole data is transferred to our 007B location. So the block is matching, and the block is transferred. So this is our code and execution, which is executed perfectly. So I would like to stop